guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Erin today, and I'm wigless right now. I'm going to be trying this new unit today from Amazon. This video is not sponsored. A couple of years ago, I used to buy a lot of synthetic wigs just because I was in college and I couldn't afford to buy virgin hair every other week. If you're not new here, y'all know I change my hair a lot. And recently, I've been realizing that I spend so much money on hair, and you know, for what? You might as well just buy a synthetic wig, because honestly, you can make synthetic wigs look like real hair and be out here slaying. So I haven't done this in a while, y'all, truth be told. I'm actually a little nervous. I did a little bit of research for this video. So today, we're going to be going from 0 to 100 on this synthetic wig. I don't have on a nude wig cap just because I don't have one and I honestly didn't feel like making one. So we're just going to be using this today. This honestly just keeps my braids intact. And the unit that I'm showing you today is from this brand right here called Alice. Alice is lace hair, and of course I'll leave all the links in the description box. This unit was on sale for about $34, and of course your girl got Prime, so mine came in about 2 days and it was packaged pretty well. Also, what it says right here, it just says Alice, a Swiss lace wig, and it's safe up to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Now the best part about this unit, I've never seen this on any other Amazon vendor before, and like I said, it's been a while since I purchased from Amazon for the units, but it basically gives you washing instructions and styling instructions, and it also tells you what products you can and can't use on this wig, which is amazing, because how many times have we messed up a synthetic wig because we didn't know how hot it could be or what products can go on it. So this is pretty cool. It also has a link that if you do F up your wig, it kind of tells you how you can fix your unit, and of course it's real cheap, so if I do damage this wig today, I can always just buy another one without breaking my bank. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I go from 0 to 100 on this unit, let's hop right into this video.
Tell me I'm a side, baby, where would I be without your love beside me?
Here is the unit right here. I have tried her on. She is slightly tangled. I will go ahead and leave that right here. It is a little bit tangly. This unit is super thick. I don't know the density on this wig, but it's super damn thick, and I actually really like that, besides the snagging that you kindly will get, you see, on the end. So besides that, I really do like this unit quite a bit. So what I'm gonna do is just brush it out. As I am customizing this unit, you guys, I'm probably gonna be going out of order just because that's how I do. Also, see, there's a slight layering in this unit, which is really great because it is straight sleek hair, which I will be going over really lightly with my flat iron today. And I'm trying to decide whether or not I want to glue this unit down. I don't think I'm going to be gluing this unit down today just because, like I said, I like to change my units around. So the first thing I noticed about this unit is that it does need to be plucked a little bit. So I'm going to go in and pluck my unit just a little bit off camera. Take a little bit, 15 minutes real quick, and then I'll be right back. I'm tired, I ain't even gonna lie. I don't feel like sitting here doing all that extra tweezing. It came pretty tweezed. I won't say it was pre-plucked, but it came a little bit natural, I guess. This is not that bad of a synthetic wig, and I don't want it to shed too bad either. I decided I am gonna glue her down because, I don't know, I just want like a flawless install, and I don't think I'm gonna get that without the glue. If you guys didn't know, I've been taking a break from Got To Be Glue, which I am using today. And I'm just going to do my thin layer, let it dry a little bit, and add another layer. So this is my first layer right here. But I've been taking a break from this just because it has been affecting my edges. And I've always had slightly thinned edges because I'm anemic, and that does cause a little bit of hair thinning and loss if you did not know. But overall, like, I noticed that it was literally pulling out my hair. Like, I don't even know, it's growing back because I've been doing a lot of castor oils and hair massages and things like that, but frontals have definitely caused my edges to thin out. So this is the first time this year that I'm actually gluing down a unit, even though it's still January. But yes, that's major for me because I'm usually changing my hair every other week and taking off wigs and putting on wigs. So this doesn't have to be perfectly sleek because of course I'm going to take this off in a couple days. But I did just want, you know, I want this to be a little fleeky. Going with this contour palette right here that I got from my hair store. This right here. And I'm just gonna take something a teeny bit darker than my skin tone just because I like it to look super hella natural. Sometimes when I go in with my skin tone, it still looks a little bit light and powdery. Like it looked like I put powder on my lace. I want it to look like it belongs on my head. So this is how the lace looks right now. Kind of see-through, but of course see-through on my skin is real ashy. So I actually got a little bit on my roots here, as you can see, and I don't mind because maybe, just hopefully, it'll look like some roots, you know? Throw this right on our head, like I said. Usually, I would go in with another layer, but I ain't worried about it. So I'm just gonna press this right on my head, how it's gonna go. So before I do, I am going to take a little bit of this spray though and make sure, you know, my edges over here are nice and secured. I have my little eyebrow archer here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this lace. So I'm gonna take some mousse and I'm gonna mousse back my edges here and mousse back the hair so that it's all even. And then I'm gonna take my Got To Be spray and tug on it a little bit to pull the flaps back. So if you're doing this method, I actually saw this specific technique here on YouTube. I can't remember who, but doing it downward helps a lot more. And it also looks good because it's rigid, and that's how your natural hairline is, more rigid than using scissors straight across. I like it because usually I have to do baby hairs because I messed up my lace, but this is really giving me a sleek, slick back look to where I don't have to do baby hairs. And I really I live for this. I'm really happy right now. Okay, y'all. So this is the hair. I did my makeup off camera. I actually recorded this look, so make sure you guys check out that Get Ready With Me. It looks really shiny. So I actually don't have any dryer sheets. So I was just taking this Batiste dry shampoo. Y'all know I use this on my real lace front. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this. But one thing that I do notice about this unit, I'm going to go ahead and brush it out. It still has some shed hairs in there from whenever I cut the lace and from my plucking and whatnot. So the packaging of this unit swears that you can put regular products on it because it's reusable and you can just wash it out. So I'm going to go ahead and stick something on these ends because they're really getting on my last nerves. So this helps quite a bit. And I still have not put any heat on this hair. So these are the ends. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it while we're here. You guys can't tell, I didn't really do it on this side yet, but I went in a little bit with my contour palette here, and I basically just took a big fluffy brush. This is not the brush that I used though, but anyway, and I just took some of the darker powder, and I'm giving myself darker roots. I honestly don't know how to do this, but this is how I'm doing it today. And it doesn't look that bad. I'm just making sure to pull hair in all directions so that when I do pull my hair, it's not a vibrant ass platinum blonde. Which this wig did come in a platinum version, so I'm glad I didn't get that. So anyway, I just wanted to look better with my chocolate skin. And last but not least, what I'm gonna do now is kind of take it in sections or whatever. I actually got this right here sent to me, but you guys can purchase this on Amazon as well. It's like one of those straightener brushes that don't really work on my kinky hair, so I usually use these on my extensions. Now I'm being too lazy right now because usually you want to do a test in the back. We're not gonna test, we're gonna go right on this piece. If I fuck up, I'm gonna be real upset, but this should not be super hot, so yeah, seems to be working okay. Basically, I'm just gonna brush my ends. She flowy though. Okay. Alright. Hey. She flowy. So y'all, this is the final look. This is my end result of my unit. I'm not gonna sit here and keep fucking with it, but I like it. It looks really cute. I haven't been blonde in a while, and I wanted to go blonde so bad, but one of the hardest parts about going blonde is finding good blonde hair. And this new era of 613 units has been amazing for us, but sis, I just don't want to pay for it. So I'm thinking about starting this synthetic little, you know, synthetic wig series on my channel. Would you guys be interested in that, or would it just be me and my little fetish of wigs? I don't know. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Let me know if y'all want the series to pop off, because I'm ready. I'm just waiting for y'all for real. So I definitely will come back with more synthetic wigs if you guys are interested, and I will see you guys in my next upload. Peace.